Hi, we're here at NRF in the Zebra booth.
We're showing a few different hardware devices and some software solutions. We have our brand new TC701 device, ultra rugged device running Android, as well as our new wearable platform as well, our WS301. Both of these devices are running our WorkCloud SYNQ communications app, so voice calling, push-to-talk calling, as well as task management. We're here with SYNQ Tech, showing off a two-way radio integration as well as some call buttons. So we're going to show a quick push-to-talk call. Going to initiate the call from the Zebra device. It's going to launch the group, and now I'm going to be able to start talking through. Sorry. I'll be able to start talking through here and coming out of the radio. Now Ryan will walk us through a call button workflow.
You bet. Okay, so we're standing here in front of a locking showcase. We've got some items that are locked up. A customer that wants one of these, they're going to need some help. They can request that help a bunch of different ways. They could press a call button. They could scan a QR code. And you can see I've got that notification showing up in WorkCloud SYNQ here, and we also heard that come through on the two-way radio. So depending on how your staff are equipped with equipment, you know, they might have one, both of these, we're not sure, so we're going to deliver to either mechanism. In WorkCloud SYNQ here, I'm going to start processing this, and the customer's getting updates as we're going through. They're seeing that some progress is happening. So if I'm waiting at this showcase, hoping someone's coming along, I can see that there's progress. I'm going to be more patient if I can see that things are happening. So I'm going to stick it out here, and the associate's going to mark it as complete, and this LED will go down to the third one here, so that the customer continues to get that feedback throughout. Now, what if I wasn't a conscientious employee and all I did was just hit the button, yep, I've done it, but I didn't. I was doing something else. I was on break, not interested. What we want to do is really close the loop and make sure the associate got all the way to this button so that they can find that person. So what we've got in WorkCloud SYNQ is the scan to complete. So we're requiring that someone actually answers a couple questions and visits that physical location. So I'm going to select that I've arrived. Ask a question here, so did we find the customer, yes or no? Possible we're collecting no-shows, so that's good information. And now I'm forced to scan. Now, there's a little barcode hidden under here. Let's say I still want to cheat and I try and scan something else. It's not going to let me do that. It knows that's the wrong code. I have to come all the way in, scan that button. Now we know that that associate is at that section, exactly at this case, and we know the travel time, how long it took. We've got the identity of the person that did that, so that's great data that we're capturing here. While we're doing this, let's capture as much data as possible. This is a locked case full of stuff that we didn't want stolen, so let's figure out for this what was actually selected. So I'm going to select yes, customer's buying a product, and then I'm going to scan the very product that's coming out of that case. Also super valuable data. We don't want this item disappearing between here and the POS, so we can now sort of track that back, and these items that we're trying to protect stay protected. There we go, and I'm done all the way through.